According to Malay Sangshai, let us make our future now and let us make our dream tomorrow's reality. My salute to the VIP stage, to Dr. Rolando D. Acriba, Jr., the Public School District Supervisor, the authorized representative of our school division superintendent, Dr. Victoria B. Gando, Quezon 2 Administrator, Mr. Manuel L. Mabalo, our school principal, Mrs. Josephine Dermal, our junior high school and senior high school in charge, our barangay captain, Honorable Larry Tapiado, with his councilmen, SPTA and SGC officials, faculty, our dear parents, honored guests, fellow graduates, visitors, good morning. Hats off to my co-graduates for the hard work we put in, reaching what we have achieved today. We should not think that learning will stop here. Treat this graduation day as a gateway to higher level of learning. As young adults, our new task as it has at hand to better understand our craft, we should master it to possibly achieve great things in doing so. At the same time, we will need to learn how to face real life hardships, inner studies, family affairs, and social life. There would always be trouble along the way, but with all that has been said, we should not see tomorrow with a dim light for what lies beyond. This day could be the highlight of our lives, the well-deserved fruit of all our labor. Remember that money is earned and spent, but experience and wisdom through dedication, hard work, and strong faith will take us places and give us happiness that no amount of money can buy. We're able to reach the finish line and accepted the fruit of our sacrifices today, our certificates. That's why our end of school year rights focus on the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. According to DepEd, it highlights the role of the Department of Education in shaping Filipino youth in building a stronger and progressive nation. Hence, our salute and heartfelt gratitude to the teachers for all their sacrifices, dedication, passion, or love of teaching. We will not come this far without them. We will always cherish all the fun times with you, Ma'am and Sir, and the things that you instill on us beyond the textbooks. I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to my family, especially to my Mama and Papa, for really working hard just to sustain our needs, support us in our study, education, and above all, for loving us. I promise to study even harder so that will both of you be happy. Also, to my siblings for the support in some of our school activities and school projects. Though they were busy sometimes, but they always find time to help. There will be more years of struggle, but with them, we're able to overcome confidently because we have such supportive family like them, cheering us on and always on our side on every step of the way, helping our homeworks, school activities, and school projects, and of course, providing all our needs. I must also take a moment to acknowledge the barangay, SPTA, and SGC officials for their untiring support to Dilapa Integrated School. If not because of them, the school year would not ended up successfully. I would like to say thank you also to all the important people surrounding me. My stay here in DIS is a fruitful and enjoyable one. I do encounter not only countless joyous moments and achievements, but challenges and hardships as well that help me develop who I am today. Our graduation today is not yet the end of our educational journey, but a beginning towards more learning opportunities that are yet to come. Some of us here will surely prefer to study to other school for some reason. But we should not forget our beloved Dilopa Integrated School and our dear teachers, particularly for they are always part of who we are today and what we will become in the future. Their sacrifices and patience is beyond measure. To my fellow graduates, especially my classmates, thank you for the good company and friendship, brotherhood and camaraderie. I will always cherish the good memories that we have shared together. Good morning once again. Thank you and God bless everyone.